this video I'll be building multiple versions of the Thien Dust Separator. Idea here is to find which combination or which configuration rather is most efficient. There are a couple of things that I could have done better here, and I'd like to address them right away. Firstly, all the measures were done on the inlet intake directly, either on an inlet into the separator or inlet into a blower. It's not a real life scenario to do this way. In reality, there'll be a 20 foot of 4-inch hose attached to a device. What I should have done is to measure all of this configuration with a 20 foot worth of 10 foot worth of hose attached, and that would have changed the numbers obviously, because the hose would constrain the flow and it would skew all of those numbers to the worst, but it would have changed the difference, and the difference between these configurations is what I'm trying to nail here. Second concern is the device I use to measure the airflow. It's not rated to the speed of the air that some of the configurations show here. So I would not be able to claim that, hey, this particular configuration gives this much airflow. But that wasn't the goal. The idea was to see the difference. So for my purpose, saying, hey, if I modify the separator in this way, it provides a better airflow, and that's what I've been looking for. Ideally, I would like to figure out how much better, percentage-wise, but then my goal was not to be super accurate here. At this point, if you do not care about seeing the whole build process, you can skip to 6 minutes and 30 seconds, and that's where testing begins. So what did we find out? Firstly, if you don't want to spend a lot of time and effort doing all this things like internal inlets, building a toll separator, stuff like that, using an original Harbor Freight dust collector separator part is as good as building the outer shelf by yourself. You just need to build top and the bottom. The second easiest thing you can do is to put in internal inlet. The best option is to obviously go parabolic. A parabolic one maybe not easy to make. The one I use is 3D printed, and if you look at the description for this video, you can find a link where you can download a model that you can print yourself. The best configuration that I got was with the toll separator, 11 inches tall, and with the parabolic inlet inside that toll separator. I also tried, it's not shown in the video, making a toller inlet inside that toll separator, and that didn't provide any improvement at all. The second best option is to open the blower intake from 5 inches into 8 inches. At least that's the size I tested. It's actually a better option than a regular size separator with the parabolic inlet inside. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something new.